We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen to these other workers moving forward.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you. And of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We have stocks down today. We have cryptos down today. But who do we have speaking at 2 o'clock? That's right, guys. Jerome is in the house. We know they're not going to make any changes to the actual rates or the actual purchases because we know liquidity is shrinking. Now, guys, as you know, I have a stock channel, and I told all of you to actually subscribe. Now we see Gamestop and AMC, and those who follow my channel, I think I went over Gamestop when it was about at $35. AMC, I told you that's one of my reopening stocks. As you can see, both of those have been blasting off. Now, a lot of that they say is coming from Reddit. But, guys, we know something is up. Why? Because CNBC is reporting it all day long. So it's not just the average guy money. Don't get me wrong. They're making money also. But there's the big players and they're putting money in there also. We can look at the volume. We know this is all algorithms. Chamath came on CNBC. Say how much money he put in. I think he said he made $500,000. Then a few other people came in and say how they made money. So it's just not like this, just the little guy putting money in. He said he put hundreds of thousands of dollars in, guys. So the fact is that we know this is all orchestrated. That's right. If we see it on CNBC, we know it's all part of the plan. Of course, if you're making money, please take advantage. Especially if you're on my stock channel, you know we're taking advantage. Remember I told you stocks are not going anywhere. They're just going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. You have to take advantage of both, guys, stocks and cryptos. Now, we do have Jerome speaking at 2 o'clock, guys. We know liquidity is going to start shrinking. We know we're going to take a hit. Remember, I told you all this at the beginning of January and December that we're going to start shrinking because they're going to be closing those facilities. The end of those facilities is March 31st. What are we going to do? We're going to keep our eyes on Janet Yellen because we have to see whether she's going to do anything different. But guys, make sure you're staying focused on the actual indicators. We have the volume, we have Tether, and we have USDC. Also, guys, we have CME Friday. So do not forget that. And then plus, of course, we're the only game in town on the weekend. Now, we know they need Bitcoin on the 5th. So just like I stated, guys, this was going to be a volatile week. So if you're a trader, definitely take advantage of it. If you're new to cryptos, you just want to buy low and sell high, definitely take advantage of it. Just like I said, they definitely need Bitcoin on the 5th, and that's when we take our move up. It happens as clockwork. You have to make sure you stay focused on the actual dates, guys. Now, let's get over into the actual news. We have Bitcoin held by public companies move up to $3.6 billion. Guys, is that a lot of money? No, it is not. We look at our market cap, and we know where all that money is coming from, the Fed. Remember, they're building the Fourth Industrial Revolution Society 5.0, guys. Don't forget. Please make sure you go check that video out I did a couple days ago. Now, we have BlackRock CEO calls Bitcoin an untested asset in a very small market. So, guys, we know this is all speculation. We can actually look at our market cap and see it makes no sense whatsoever. But we know what the goal is. We know it's the Fourth Industrial Revolution is being built. We know what Bitcoin is going to be used for. Now we have Ninepoint Partners launches a Bitcoin trust fund. So we see a couple of these. We had one go OTC, and now we have one that's going to be on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So we're starting to see, just like I said, the foundation being built. Now we also have Robinhood and other exchanges have outages due to the volume of Gamestop, AMC. So there is a lot of amateur investors coming in. But guys, at the end of the day, make your money. There's a lot of people on Reddit that didn't have money and now have money saying they're paying off their student loans, paying this off, paying that off. So definitely, just like I said it on my stock channel, it's very volatile, but if you can handle it, take advantage of it, make your money. I'm not your financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Please do your own research. Now we have the FTX list GameStop after Reddit fueled the 200% rally in 2 days. So we know these exchanges are definitely going to take advantage of the money so they can take advantage of all these fees. Now we have Circle enables a seamless USD transfers, providing a bridge from banks to DeFi. And remember guys, DeFi is the new banking from Brian Brooks. So guys, remember, they're building this new digital economy. That's the whole point of the C word, guys. It's nothing but a distraction. Now we have Bernie Sanders mitten memes is being immortalized in a new NFT collection. I'm surprised that they didn't do that earlier because that's all you see all over the place on social media. And lastly, guys, we have ARK Investment. Kathy Woods says that a Bitcoin ETF is unlikely until the market cap hits $2 trillion. I definitely believe we're going to have a crypto ETF. It may not be a single Bitcoin ETF by itself, but we're definitely going to have a crypto ETF this year where they combine 3 or 4 cryptos together. But definitely, guys, we already know crypto is definitely the future. When it comes to actually investments, like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. But over these next few days, guys, find the actual cheapest crypto that has utility, invest. Just like I stated, guys, we always go back up on the 5th. And then, of course, we creep our way down. Right now, as the market stands and us shrinking liquidity, I see the market moving down like I stated earlier this year. But of course, we're going to have those pumps. So you have to take advantage of those pumps and dumps. Add to your bags or move it into USDC. And as the market falls to the lows, then you can go in and buy heavy. But definitely, guys, you have to have a strategy. If you're new to cryptos, sit back and learn, because you're still in a perfect place. Yes, I see the cryptos are at a higher price right now, but definitely as the liquidity shrinks, we don't have real use cases yet, guys. We're still in speculation, but we know where this is going to head. Same thing when it comes to EV stocks. We don't have a lot of electric vehicles on the street, but we know 3 to 5 years from now, there's going to be more electric vehicles on the street than gas, and eventually gas will be taxed more, and they're going to tax you out of your car. So, guys, we definitely see that, and especially if you have my book, I had already advised you of that. But we see where this is going. We have to take advantage of it, please. And also, educate your friends and family, spread the video. But, guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the book links and crypto links are in the description. Also, guys, you have your stock channel. Don't forget about the Cryptoteacher stock channel, guys. Stocks are not going anywhere. That is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. You have your Cobalt, chip stocks, banking, gaming. Everybody sitting at home. Don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money and waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.